On
and just
Marcus, Dre, how much? Because people, he's had a bit of a tough year. So chuffed for him that he's got on the Lions tour because I've been pushing him and backing him from the start. I'm sure as we all have. But just how good is he to play with as a 12? What does he do that unlocks your potential?
I think obviously a lot of people that doesn't play with us or obviously watching from the outside don't see the side of things, the way he manages the game, yeah, the way he manages forwards, his comms on the field, his willingness. He's probably one of the players that wants to learn the most, although he has probably the least to learn. So he's a great student of the game, and I mean, if you talk about magic, he can make something happen out of nothing. There's a few times we've been in very bad situations. He just come up to something crazy, score the try, win the game. Yeah, so no, it's mental the amount of talent he has, but also obviously the work he puts in to be at that level is mental.